In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Facebook frame in Canva. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional frame that sits around a profile photo and lets the picture show through exactly where it should. Start by opening Canva and searching for Facebook profile frame. This brings up pre-sized, square templates in a 1:1 ratio, which is important because Facebook displays your profile photo as a circle within that square. Keep that in mind as you choose a template or start from a blank design. The key principle is to keep the center area clear so the person's face isn't covered. Think of your design as a border that hugs the edges, while the middle stays open for the photo. If you're using a template, you can swap out the existing elements to match your style. If you're starting blank, it can help to drop in a temporary circle as a visual guide, centered on the canvas, to show where the photo will appear. Just remember to delete that guide before downloading. Use Canva's alignment tools to keep everything centered and evenly spaced. Now customize your design. Add text and adjust colors and fonts so they're readable at small sizes. Short, bold wording works best around a profile picture. From the Elements tab, bring in illustrations, shapes, and icons that reflect your theme or brand, and position them toward the corners or edges so they don't intrude on the face area. Use the position controls to layer elements neatly, and keep consistent spacing for a polished look. If you have logos or artwork, upload them via the Uploads tab. PNG files with transparent backgrounds look especially clean. Scale them down to avoid crowding and maintain a balanced border. Aim for strong contrast between elements and the background so everything remains legible on both light and dark profile photos. It's essential that the area where the user's picture goes remains transparent. Design with that clear center in mind. When you're ready to export, choose Download and select PNG for crisp quality. If available on your account, enable transparent background so the middle stays see-through. This option may require a Canva Pro subscription. Double-check that you've removed any temporary guide shapes before you export. Save your high-quality PNG, and you're done. You now have a Facebook frame that wraps cleanly around a profile photo and lets the image show through the center. Use it to highlight causes, events, or branding in a subtle, professional way. Thanks for watching.